How's it going, TMG community? It's Zap Martin with the Martin Group. I'm so excited for this season coming up of Thanksgiving and Christmas, and I want to do what we did last year. If you remember it, or if you're new, we did what's called KidsGiving. It's an opportunity for your child to partner with me as we give together to the community. Here's how it works. If you could have your child write a small letter or a short letter about what charity or nonprofit they want to give to, send me that letter. I'm going to give $100 on their behalf to the charity of their choice. So it could be the Humane Society, it could be Ronald McDonald's House, it could be Rady Children's Hospital, it could be Susan B. Komen Cancer Foundation, anything that has a meaning to your child and something that your child is kind of interested in giving to and helping out. I want to partner with them. So anytime between November 1st and December 1st, if you could submit that letter to me, it could be handwritten or you can type an email on behalf of your child. We want to give for each child. So if you have 2 kids, it's $200, 5 kids, $500. The money doesn't matter. We just want to be generous and loving to our San Diego community. And really, I want to partner with your kids so we could be giving. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, reach out to me. My new number is 619-512-3301. God bless you. Have a happy Thanksgiving and a Merry